Hello, this is Teacher Ebony. Today we will focus on Lesson 1 from your textbook called Follow Your Dream. Please take notes to help you better your learning. Today we will focus on the present perfect tense. When do we use it? We use the present perfect tense to show life experiences. Our target question today will be, have you blank? For example, you can ask, have you visited Seoul? Have you climbed a mountain? Have you failed a test? To answer the question, you will use, yes, I have, and no, I haven't. To make the present perfect tense, you must follow a few rules. Put have or has in front of the main verb. You use have when the subject is I, you, we, or they. Use has when the subject is she, he, it, or a specific name like Ebony. Use the past participle of the main verb. These verbs usually end in ed. Here are some example sentences. You have visited Thailand. She has learned to play piano. To make a negative sentence, just add not or make a contraction. For example, I have not visited Busan and I haven't visited Busan are both okay. Now let's try some practice sentences. This is a picture of Seoul. We can ask, have you visited Seoul? Our answers can be, yes, I have visited Seoul, or no, I haven't visited Seoul. Here's the next one. The popular show Itaewon Class. We can ask, have you watched Itaewon Class? We can answer, yes, I have watched Itaewon Class, or no, I haven't watched Itaewon Class. Here's the last one. Zico has a popular dance challenge with his new song. We can ask someone, have you danced to Zico's Any song? You can answer, yes, I have danced to Zico's Any song, or no, I haven't danced to Zico's Any song. Now it's your turn. Use these words to write both the question and the responses. Try it with these words now. Try it one last time. Here are the answers. Check to see if you got them right. Unfortunately, not all verbs end in ed. Some verbs change their form completely. The word be becomes been in the past participle. Give becomes given. Swim becomes swum. Go becomes gone. Sleep becomes slept. Sing becomes sung. Have becomes had. And win becomes one. There are many other verbs that change in this way. You will have to study them on your own. Here are some example sentences using the verbs I just taught you. I have been to Canada. You have given a present to your mother. He has swum in the ocean. She has gone to Gwangju. They have slept in class. I haven't sung in a karaoke room. They have had too much candy. We have won a trophy before. The rules with have and has stay the same. The only thing that changes is the verb. For your assignment today, you will write 3 sentences. 2 must be true, and 1 must be a lie. Here is my example. I have traveled to Germany. I have shaved off my hair. I have driven a motorcycle in Indonesia. 2 of these sentences are true, and 1 is a lie or false. Which one is the lie? My lie was, I have been to Germany. Since it is a lie, this is not true. I have never been to Germany. My truths are, I have shaved my hair off, and I have driven a motorbike in Indonesia. Now it's your turn. Write your own 2 truths and a lie using the present perfect tense. Email your responses to me at englishwithebony@gmail.com. Turn in your responses by Tuesday, April 20th. I can't wait to see what you write. Thank you for listening to this lesson. I hope it was helpful to you. Bye-bye.